She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
귀여워. Grabe, ang cute ng puppy. Photo shoots here starts at 7,000 won and the team depends on the photographer's studio. So yun na nga, mamaya magpa-photoshoot kami ni Sam kasi gusto daw niya mag-photoshoot. Today we're gonna try to grill a marshmallow. 했다고. 봐봐 여기. 여기 있어. It's burned. Yummy, Maya. We tried making dalgona last year when Sam is 3 years old, and now we just want to try something new. You can also try grilling mozzarella cheese, rice cake, and dried squid. FYI, dalgona candy takes a little bit of time to cook, so if you are in a hurry, just buy a ready-made dalgona candy. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah, and during weekends, me and my daughter go to places around our hometown. And if you like videos like this, feel free to like and subscribe, and welcome to our world. As you can see, maraming kids today kasi graduation ngayon ng mga daycare centers and elementaries. Bye!
사진 몇 장이야?
뭘? 해봐. One pink. 이거 얼마예요? 얼마? 얼마예요? 와우. 와우. 잘했어.
연정이 3점 먹어? 여기 봐야 되는데? 연정이 동그라미 그렇지. 아 완전히 뒤에 아니 초록 색깔 위에서 뒤로 가서 잠깐만 여기 서가지고 삼촌이 어려운 데 가고 여기 잠깐 서있어 풀리 한번 더 3점 보고 연정이 나 가방 주소 연정이 움직이면 안돼 어려운 다시 여기 한번 보고 자, 이쁘게 웃어주세요. 여기 보고 의상 이쁘게.
Ang ganda niya, sir.
왼발 고개 들고, 왼발 고개 들고. 고개 들고 여기 봐야 되는데.
I think they did 200 shots all in all, and as you can see, she's instructing Sammy what to post. I decided to buy a bouquet of flowers for Somi's first teacher since she graduated and she's now moving to another grade level. I also include letter of appreciation written in Korean so she can understand it very well. I am honestly thankful for her because she did a great job teaching Somi some Korean words as well as good manners. She's also aware that I'm a foreigner, so almost every day she's texting me if meron akong concerns or questions kung hindi ko naiintindihan. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung efforts niya and ang swerte ko sa part na yun kasi not every mom here in South Korea has the same experience like mine. I rather not include it in my story, but every mom here in South Korea knows what I mean. Not only Filipinas, but also other foreign mommies. Today's weather is very windy, so hindi kami masyado nagtagal ni Sam sa labas. We just went to a cafe, we hung out there, we took some photos and videos for my Instagram. We also have a little chit-chats and a little bit of playing. And then we go home at around 7 p.m. I guess. We don't have an extended family to visit very often, so I'm making sure that Sam and I had a quality time together. Kasi I really believe na malaking tulong yun sa part ng growing up niya. So, kailangan kong puunan yung mga bagay na wala siya, like lola and lolos, titos and titas.
Melong! 잘했어.
Don't judge my kilay, kakaahit lang yan. 하지마. I'm not scared. I caught you. Ha! 잡았다. Ay. We are having our late lunch. Medyo mahaba yung lakad namin kanina, kaya medyo late na kami nakapag-lunch. Boss. Boso man. Boso? 이거 뭐야?
수유. 운전해야지. 트름도 아니고.
Coffee after.
맛있어? 봐봐.
맛있거든. 애들 거하고 저.
Sabi ng asawa ko, pang matanda daw yung jelly na yan. Pang lola daw yung jelly candy na yan. Totoo kaya? Baka ine-etchos lang ako nito eh.
잘 찍는 거 아니야.
당신 잘 안 보여. 산 때문에.
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hanging around the tree.
Mr. Golden Head
Hi!
Where's Daddy?
Daddy is there.
Patatapos lang namin magkain and
Lucky! Where my rainbow?
nag-ios ang kanyang daddy. Kaya andito kami.
I love rainbow.
Ang kulit ni Sam, no?
먹었어? 먹었어? 복숭아? 그러면? 자,
인종아 차 있어.
자, 복숭아.
맞아. 이것도
Stop over sa Pari Bucket. We bought some breads. Kasi paborito talaga namin na Sam kumain ng tinapay every
Ganda.
morning and merienda. Gustong gusto namin ni Sam yung tinapay dito kasi lagi siyang freshly baked almost every day.
마크로나 또 마크로나. 여기 핑크. 엄마 이렇게 잡아봐. 아이 아주.
인종아 일로 와.
My outfit for today.
오빠.
힘들어.
감새야 있나 한지 있어 아빠고 동동 엄마 굴래 아빠 굴래 낭낭 엄마 굴래 날씨 왜게게 왜라와야야야 kit쭉 간다 엄마 let's eat by there eat by White and